How to delete the project in Kinemaster. First of all, open the Kinemaster app and wait for the main screen to load completely. This is where all your saved projects are displayed in a scrollable list. Now scroll through your projects and find the one you want to delete. After you find it, tap the three dots next to the project file. From the menu option, choose Delete. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete the selected project. Tap Delete to confirm. You can also delete multiple projects at once if needed. To do this, tap and hold on one project thumbnail for a second or two to activate selection mode. You will now see a small checkmark box to select the project. After selecting the projects, look for the trash bin icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the trash bin icon to begin the deletion process. Once done, the projects will be permanently removed from your Kinemaster app. Keep in mind that deleted projects cannot be recovered unless you have backed them up manually. Now you know how to delete a project in Kinemaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.